Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the VPN appliance that's used in the disaster recovery cloud on the Acronis Cyber Protect cloud. The VPN appliance is a virtual machine or virtual appliance that a customer would download to their local hypervisor. There are versions for ESX and one for Hyper-V. They would provision that appliance on their local host, uh, power it up, run a couple of configuration changes, and register that to their Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud account. And that will then link that appliance to the VPN gateway that they've established in the cloud that will allow them to have connectivity between their network and the Acronis data center. The advantage to using OpenVPN is that it's a layer 2 connection. So what that means is that allows us to stretch their subnet into our cloud so they can actually spin up machines using the same IP address that they run in production. So that's a huge advantage. When you log into the console and you go to disaster recovery, if you haven't set up the connectivity yet, the first thing you'll see are the three different options. One will be cloud only mode, the other one's site to site connectivity, and the other one's going to be IPsec. If you select the middle box, that will allow you to set up the site to site connectivity. Once the VPN gateway has been created, on the left side here, you'll see a download and deploy button. You would click there, select whatever version of appliance that you want to use, and if you have one set up here already, like I do, and you still want to download the appliance, if you go to Show Properties, click the Download button, and this is where you can then download either the VMware version or the Hyper-V version. When it comes to resources, the appliance is pretty small. It uses a single CPU, a gig of RAM, and 8 gigs of space. And then these are the ports that it requires. When you provision that appliance and you power it up, you'll have to make a couple of configuration changes. This is going to be the screen that you have when you log in. You're going to log in using the default configuration. The login is admin, the password is admin. So the first thing you're going to want to do is change the password. And once you've done that, there's the other features are going to be optional. Under networking, it's set for DHCP, and you can leave it for DHCP, and it'll work fine. If you did want to set up a static IP, you could do that. You're going to register the machine to your account. This is going to be the console login for the administrator. So whatever you logged into cloud.acronis.com with, you'll use that same login to register the appliance. If the registration was successful, when you click on VPN tunnel, it should say connected. And then when you come back to your console, you'll see your appliance on the left here, the VPN gateway in the Acronis cloud, as well as the connection between the two sites. So that's the demo today of the Acronis VPN appliance. Thank you very much.